Systems thinking is useful for tackling complex problems such as inequalities, climate change, and the impact of pandemics such as the recent coronavirus. It's a holistic way of viewing the world. We interpret things in their complex ecological context. We synthesize rather than analyze. Instead of breaking things down to their smallest, isolated and fragmented parts, systems thinking looks for patterns and relationships between interdependent pieces of information and knowledge. Networks, diverse perspectives, and meaningful chaos are associated with systems thinking. This is in contrast to hierarchies, absolute truth, and well-defined categories. Feedback is an essential feature of systems thinking because nothing stays the same. Everything is temporal. We respond to feedback and adapt our behavior in relation to our ecological position. This is our position in systems, within systems, within systems, within systems. With a systems thinking paradigm, we see that dynamic shifts can be caused through ripple effects. These are caused by seemingly imperceptible changes, such as the flap of a butterfly's wings. Whereas logic can be used to solve complicated problems, we need to use systems thinking to tackle complex problems. So what's the difference between a complicated problem and a complex problem? An example of a complicated problem is how to select employees for furlough or for redundancies. This kind of problem can be solved through logical analysis. However, complex problems, for example, how to eradicate poverty or unemployment or inequalities, don't have obvious and logical solutions. In fact, a solution to the problem may cause another problem, may cause a consequential problem. According to systems thinking, we are part of the system and therefore we're part of the problem. So we need to explore the issue in its contextual entirety and begin by identifying patterns, relationships, and multiple perspectives in all their complexity. In the workplace, systems thinking is useful to avoid working in silos. It advocates collaboration, teamwork, and co-creation of novelty, value, and innovation.